Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So there's a bunch of deals to I say a bunch, there's not a whole lot, but enough. I was like I should have done a video Friday, but I didn't. Okay, so this is groceries and household, and it is $12 here, so $169 here. Oh, that's income. Okay. This is a restaurant. This is household. Household. Restaurant. This basically was my personal, I believe. Restaurant. Restaurant. Fun. Fun. Restaurant. Groceries that I just bought a while ago. Lunch earlier. This was personal. And fuel. And also, I got gas for, Friday. I got $30. And I believe also, before I forget, that like Saturday or so, Hulu came out. Okay, so normal bills. This came out. I'll pay this. This. Water was Saturday, but it was not 47. It was actually 51. If I read my writing right. Maybe it's 57, but we're going to go with 51. I paid this on I think Thursday. This is coming up. I'll probably have to get them like Thursday or Friday. Maybe not till next week, I don't know. In just a second, because I got kitty litter and food a while ago. $42. So it looks as if everything is going good so far. I believe there's like 700 something in the account this morning. And if my husband takes his personal money, that'll be 200. And so then there'll be 5 something. And then I just use 40 some. So it'll be like, I think 200 something, I guess, left until Friday. Unless something takes it. Sorry, here's some car doors and stuff. But anyway, groceries looks pretty good. Restaurants is dwindling quickly. Funds okay. Household looking pretty good. I haven't actually, I could do that right quick because I do still have a few minutes. Count the money in the account and make sure it matches, but it's no big deal because I can see now that I've done transactions. I'll just know to count it now. Oh, I did this, so that's good. That happened yesterday. And extra. So, here's the thing. We sold our old bed frame. So, king size bed frame. And that was Monday, actually on Labor Day. And I haven't looked. Interest should have came yesterday. Let's see how much we got for that. Ooh, we got a whole $1. 101. What am I doing? And yes, that is right on the water bill since I'm in the account looking at it. I feel like that number went up. Well, I guess it did because I added in some stuff like this. But that's awesome. And I think actually what we decided to do with this is we're going to get massages. Maybe not the wisest choice, but some, what they call it, self-care. Yeah, we need some of that. My car's not due till Friday. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!